Hi, my name is Mark, and this is everything you need to know to get you started using drills. So let's jump into it. When it comes to drills, there are three main types, including your drill driver, your hammer drill, and your impact driver. Depending on what you're drilling into, will determine the type of drill you need to use. Let's start with the one that most people will be familiar with. This is a drill driver. Drill drivers are most commonly used to drill holes and drive in screws. They make a great choice for quick projects around the home. Impact drivers like this one here are superior directing their force downward, making them more effective for use on projects like raised garden beds or decking, where you may be screwing into thicker timbers or metals. A hammer drill performs all the same functions as a drill driver, however, has another function called hammer drilling, which is ideal for drilling holes into bricks or concrete. A hammer drill uses a particular type of drill bit designed specifically for these tough materials. Let's talk through the basics to get you started using any of these. This is the drill driver here. You have a handle and a toggle. Depending on how hard you pull on that toggle will vary its speed. This switch here tells the drill to spin clockwise or counterclockwise. One direction will drive the screw into an object and the other will pull it out. Pushing it in the middle will lock the toggle. At the top of most drills you'll see a switch that allows you to change the speed of the drill. This is the chuck here, and as you rotate this, the jaws will tighten and grip whatever drill bit you're trying to use. You'll find most brands have drills available in brushed and brushless options. In a brush drill, you'll have brushes that make contact with each other to create the power. In a brushless drill, there is a motor that's electronically controlled. Brushless motors are generally a little bit more expensive than brush motors, but they offer more power and higher efficiency than equivalent brush motors of the same size. So typically, you can expect to get a longer runtime, higher performance, and less maintenance from a brushless tool. To attach the battery, it's as simple as clicking it on and off at the bottom here. Battery sizes are measured in amp hours, or AH for short. The general rule of thumb is that the higher the amp hours, the longer run time you'll have with your battery. Now you can get drills that are corded, which some people prefer because they don't need the convenience of a battery and they're looking for a power tool at a lower price point. And they're generally a lighter weight too. All of these drills do basically the same thing, however each are better suited to different tasks. To drill a hole with the drill driver or the hammer drill, load one of these drill bits into the chuck and tighten. To drill into this plank of timber here, I'm going to be using the drill driver in gear 2. You can drill in either gear, but in gear 2 you won't have to add as much downward force as you go. If you were wanting to drill into a surface like concrete, you'd be using a hammer drill, but following the same process. When you are finished, just do the exact opposite. Rotate the other way, and the claws will release the bit. To then put a screw into the pre-drilled hole, you change one of these drill bits here, and line up the end, and away you go. When it comes to the impact driver, to load the drill bit, you simply need to put the bit in there and it will lock. If we now drill into the same surface, you'll hear the impact strikes. To release the drill bit, you pull back the collar and the drill bit will pop out. Just remember that when using any type of power drill, it's safest to put on safety goggles and in some cases, ear protection or your dust mask. These precautions will protect you from any debris. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this gives you a basic 101 on how to get you started using drills.